Bonus! DFY call center. Never pick up the phone. 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. Now that's a real bonus, okay? You don't have to do the selling, the telling, and you can get 100% commissions of $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000. We make it easy for you. Questions? Call 1-800-771-0769. Imagine never picking up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. Imagine your sponsor relaxing while you get all the profit. 100% commissions of $500, $1,500, $3,500, or $5,000. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? And I'm going to actually show you ranking proof, okay? So I'm going to look on, this time I did it on YouTube, so I'm going to start with Google. Hopefully I'll remember both of them this time instead of just one. Now look, you see how this is incognito? This is real results. You can search for yourself, okay? High ticket lifestyle Justin Temple closes the #1 system fast. As you can see, hopefully, it is, when I'm recording this, maybe not. It is Thursday, July 9th, okay? It's right up here, down here, okay? Now look, this premieres tomorrow, okay? Premieres in 8 hours, okay? Let me see if I can actually go back. Maybe not. Uh-oh, we might have screwed up. Okay, so that might be the end of that today. I can't get back there. Bye, have a good night. So, what the heck? Remember. So this is High Ticket Lifestyle 5 Forbidden Truths. What is a high ticket lifestyle? Mechanical leverage versus the hourly wage model. Mechanical leverage is the difference between a shovel and a bulldozer. Why mechanical leverage beats labor? The hourly wage model is a shovel. You can work hard, but you're still just moving dirt. This system is the bulldozer. It moves the entire landscape of your financial life in one single strike. You're not tired, you're misallocated. By leveraging this model, you're not just working, you're building an asset that produces results even when you're not physically present. What is a high-ticket lifestyle? Why decoupling labor from output matters. When your income is decoupled from labor, you gain true sovereignty. You're no longer worried about a missed the engine runs on an intent and traffic. As long as the machine is fueled, the output remains consistent. This is how you reclaim your time, the only non-renewable asset you possess. What is a high-ticket lifestyle? Analyzing why model volumes create burnout. Volume models create burnout because they require you to be the content creator, the closer, and the customer support. You're a one-man show, and the show is doomed to fail. By using a system that delegates the heavy lifting, you remove the primary driver of digital exhaustion. What is the high-ticket lifestyle? Rented land versus owned digital infrastructure. Posts on social media is like building a house on rented land. You can be evicted by an algorithm update at any second. The system is your own digital art infrastructure. It is the land you own, the engine you control, and the asset you scale without fear of being deplatformed. You're building an empire, not a feed. What is a high-ticket lifestyle? Why qualified strikes are the lifeblood of sovereignty. Strike versus lead, the real difference. A strike is not a lead, a strike is an exchange of value. When you secure a qualified strike, you're moving from hope-based marketing to extraction-based finance. You stop hoping for a sale and start managing the flow of $3,500 commissions to your personal vault. This is the goal of the high-ticket lifestyle. What is a high-ticket lifestyle? Leveraging the 1-800 siphon for high-intent pipeline growth. The siphon is not an optional tool. It is a requirement for anyone who values their time. If a prospect will not take the time to dial a number, listen to a message, they are not your customer, they are noise. The siphon clears the noise so you can hear the signal. What is a high-ticket lifestyle? Filtering for hunger over compliance. Compliance is for employees. Hunger is for operators. When you filter for hunger, you find the people who are ready to move. They don't need you to convince them. They just need you to show them the machine. Stop looking for permission and start looking for results. What is a high-ticket lifestyle? Replacing manual sales skills with mechanical automation. You do not need to be a salesperson. You need to be a traffic architect. Let the automation do the work of persuasion. Your only job is to ensure the traffic is flowing through the filter. The system handles the rest. What is a high-ticket lifestyle? Solving the common misconceptions. People think this is a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not. It is a get-efficient-quick system. It is a business model that rewards those who stop trying to do everything themselves and start leveraging a proven, repeatable mechanical process. What is the high-ticket lifestyle? Start your extraction from the grind. You're standing at a crossroads. Shift your identity from worker to operator. Your time is no longer a commodity to be sold. It is a resource to be invested. If you're done donating your time to a broken income math, click the link below, listen to the message, and decide you're done donating your time. Comment forbidden. I'll send you the exact 48-hour protocol breakdown. Peace. Okay? And this is the roll-up engine, a compensation architecture where commissions roll upward to qualify operators. And sovereign operators, an individual who leverages automated digital infrastructure to decouple income from time. A qualified strike is a high-intent lead that has passed through the 1-800 siphon and is ready for closing. Now I want to show you a couple of those things. Now get upgraded to the next level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer, this huge thing that you can't possibly miss, okay, you will be rewarded with the next level qualification. Join at the 500 level, get no upgrade. Join the 1500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. Join the 3500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. And join the 5000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus, which is copy and paste trades, okay? Now, 48-hour free action taker bonus. Most people have bonuses, not a call center, and not a 48-hour upgrade bonus. Now, look at this. Join the 1500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. $1,500 plus the admin fee, $3,500 is more than twice that amount. And imagine get a $3,500 followed by a $1,500. That's $5,000, and you only paid $1,500 plus a $199 admin fee one time. And now you can make $3,500, $1,500, or $500 if you take action in this window. Once you get to this page, right? And how do you get to this page? Okay, let me see if I can get there. Right? This is the brand new 100% commission system. Free. Can I show you how to start making $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 using this one simplest page? Discover the fastest and easiest way to make life-changing money without having to sell. So you enter your first name, your best email, and optionally your number for free bonuses. Okay, hit yes, show me, and you get taken to a page like this. Okay, I'm going to scroll up. There's my video right there, and there's the text you saw on the first page, right? You hit this, play this video, hit yes, show me, right? And then you just take action, okay? The 48-hour bonus is more than double your money. It's a 233% bonus. Most opportunities, make money on online income opportunities, you can't make $500. You can't make $1,500. You damn sure can't make $3,500, and $5,000 is almost unheard of. Okay, and you get to keep 100% or more of the income. Okay, or more, because imagine paying $1,500 and you can make $3,500. That's 233%. Okay. The $3,500, you get a $1,500 bonus, and that's just one time. What if you make 3 of those in the first 3 months? That means you paid $1,500, and you made $3,500, $3,500, $3,500, $10,500 for $1,697. Do I have your attention yet? Okay, I want to show you something real quick. I showed you the Google results. Now I'm going to show you, I'm still in incognito mode, the YouTube results. Okay, it's loading. Okay, this has not, today is, as I record this video, 7/9/2026. Look, July 9th, 2026. Look, this hasn't even premiered yet, and it's #1 ranking video on YouTube. This hasn't even premiered yet, and it's a #1 ranking video on it's number 2 on YouTube, okay? There's my whole channel, okay? Subscribe, okay? So you don't miss any notifications or any videos, right? Here's a video from 5 days ago, okay? Yeah, and that's it. But what do we got? 4 on page 1, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4 on page 1 of YouTube. And look, Google, there's my video right there from a day ago. There's the Badass Network. There's YouTube, my whole channel, right? No, the Premiere 7/7, so 2 days ago, right? And another blog on the Badass Network. 4 again on YouTube and 4 on Google. How powerful is that? And that's the type of elite training we'll be giving you, because we're not scared to show you what others either don't know, like how to rank on YouTube and Google. I know YouTube's almost it's so easy for whatever program you're promoting, not just a high ticket lifestyle. Imagine you're promoting, say, you're trying to promote Home Business Academy or something like that. You can do both, okay? And you can rank your videos very easily. That's a lifetime skill. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime, okay? Okay, this is my What is a High Ticket Lifestyle? 5 Forbidden Truths. And this is JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your friendly neighborhood Solley man. Don't delay, get with Jada today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.